Have you ever noticed that when you buy a new vehicle, you start to see that vehicle everywhere? Why does this happen? Did everyone buy the same kind of vehicle the same day you bought yours? Of course not. So what's actually going on? What's actually happening is that you are simply noticing more of that vehicle. The thing is this: when you bought that car was front and center in your mind. You were constantly thinking about it. And wherever you are constantly thinking about, well, you start to notice things of similar energy all around you. So the thing is that those vehicles didn't start to automatically appear all over the freeway. It's just that you started to take notice of them, because that kind of vehicle became relevant when you bought yours. You see, you have a place in your brain called your reticular activating system. Your reticular activating system acts as kind of a filter for all the data that's around us. There is so much information surrounding us every single day. Let's say you walk into a busy shopping mall. There are thousands of conversations around you. You see thousands of people, and you're not paying attention to what any particular person is saying until you hear someone say your name. Immediately, you zone in on that particular person among thousands of people all around you. You filter out every other conversation and zone in on the one conversation that is relevant to you. We pay attention to what is relevant to us, what we think about most. Why is this important? It's important because the average person has thousands of thoughts every single day. And a lot of the time, a lot of these thoughts are the same exact thoughts they had the day before. In addition, a lot of these thoughts are either dwelling on something bad in the past or fearing something that could potentially happen in the future. If you are constantly thinking these kinds of negative thoughts, your brain will influence your eyes to pay attention to similar energy. And start to focus and train your eyes to see opportunities that reinforce what you think about most. That's why positive people are attracted to other positive people, and negative people are attracted to negative people. And people who like sports are attracted to other people who like sports. We are attracted to what we think about most because we tend to notice opportunities of similar energy the most. And of course, you can only act upon opportunities that you are aware of. That's why it's so incredibly important to pay very close attention to the repetitive thoughts you hold inside of your mind. Your thoughts have the ability to influence what you pay attention to. What you pay attention to determines the opportunities that manifest into your life and the opportunities that you act upon. Determine your quality of life. Choose your thoughts wisely. I hope this is helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.